students, welcome back. Let's take another example for conversion of NFA to DFA. So here they are given an NFA. Let's take this is initial state. I'm taking Q0, Q1, Q2. It's a two final states I'm taking. Okay. So Q0 A comma B. It going A. This is B. And from this here A comma B and B. Okay, so let's take this is a state transition diagram for NFA. This is NFA. Now I want to convert these NFA into DFA. It is not DFA. I clearly say why. How can you say? Because here A, it's a multiple paths are there. For single input A, I'm having the multiple paths Q0 as well as Q1. Okay, so here I am having the multiple paths. So if multiple paths are there, it is in NFA, not as in DFA. Now I want to convert this NFA into DFA. First thing is this I am constructing the transition table. With the help of the table, I can convert this into DFA. Just take the values A, B. So what are the states? Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So here Q2 and Q3 are the final state and this is the initial state. Now let's take Q0 on A goes to two states. Yes, did you observe here? It's going to two states, Q0 as well as to Q1. So Q0 on B, it goes to one state only, that is itself, Q1. Q0 on B, Q0 on B, it goes to Q0 itself. Now coming to Q1. Q1 on A goes to Q2. Q1 on B, that is Q1 itself. Now Q2. Q2 on A goes to Q3 and Q2 on B goes to Q3. Q3 on 3, Q3 on A, no. And Q3 on B, it goes to Q2. So this is a state transition diagram, transition table for the NFA. Now I am constructing DFA table. So with the help of the DFA table, I can translate into a diagram. Let's take the DFA table. So transition A, B. So starting at the input initial state is Q0. So Q0 on A, it goes to Q0, Q1. So I'm taking this as a new state rather than separate states. I'm taking it as a new state. Okay. And Q0 on B, Q0 itself. So Q0 is already constructed. Now I am taking Q0 and Q1 as my new state. So I have now that new state is my current state with input symbol A on it. And what will be the next state? So first take Q0 on A. Q0 on A is Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1. And Q1 on A, it is Q2. So you have to union it. So whenever you union Q0, Q1, union Q0, Q2 means Q0, Q1, Q2. I just union it. First you have to calculate Q0 on A. So what is Q0 on A? Q0 on A, it's going to Q0 as well as Q1. Okay, union Q1 on A. Q1 on A, it's going to Q2. So it's completely becomes one state. And on B check. Q0 on B. Q0 on B, it is Q0 and Q1 on B, it is Q1. Okay, so Q0, Q. So Q0, Q1, it's already, the row is completed. It is implemented. Now take this as a new state. Q0, Q1, Q2 as a new state. Now check. First take this thing. Q0 on A. Q0 on A goes to two states, that is Q0, Q1. Q1 on A goes to Q2. And Q2 on A. Now Q2 on A, it goes to Q3. Means I just make it as a union. And union and completely I make it as one single state. Now Q0 on B goes to Q0. Q1 on B goes to Q1. And Q2 on B, it goes to Q3. Okay. So here you get a new state Q0, Q1, Q3. Okay, so this is also a new state and this is also new state. First we implement this, we consider this state as a new state and make it as a current state. Now implement. Q0 on A goes to Q0 and Q1. Q1 on A goes to Q2. Q2 on A goes to Q3. And Q3 on A, there is no output for this. So Q3 on A is nothing is there. So just Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Now coming to B. Q0 on B, it is Q0. Q1 on B, it is Q1. Q2 on B, it is Q3. And Q3 on B, it is going to Q2. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So here it is also the same state. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So you no need to take it as a new state because it's already implemented. Now the remaining thing is this is a new state that we have to be considered. Q0, Q1, Q3. So whatever the states I didn't make it as a new state and current state, and we have to find out the next state. Here this is the thing. Whatever the state you got, that next state is make it as a current state, and for that current state I am finding out the next state. So Q0, Q1, Q3. Now find out. Q0 on A goes to Q0, Q1, and Q1 on A goes to Q2. Q3 on A, there is nothing is there. Okay, so just close it. Now Q0 on B goes to Q0. Q1 on B goes to Q1. Q3 on B goes to Q2. So Q0, Q1, Q2, it's already implemented. So no need to add, take it as a new state. So this is the DFA for the given NFA. Now I am constructing a diagram for this DFA diagram. So this is new states are Q0, Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q0, Q1, Q3. So this is the initial state, we know that. Then what will be the final state? So here in the NFA, the final state is for 2 as well as 3. So wherever the 2 is there and wherever the 3 is there, we have to make it as a final state. So here 2, this will be the final state. And here 2 and 3 both are the final state, and here 3 is there, this. So total 3 final states are present in this diagram. Okay. So this is the final state, and this is the final state, as well as this is also a final state. Okay. So now implement. Q0 on A goes to Q0, Q1. Q0 on B goes to Q0 itself. Now coming to this state. Q0, Q1 goes to on A, Q0, Q1, Q2. So on B it is going to itself. Now coming to this state. Q0, Q1, Q2. On A it is going to Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So on B it is going to this state on B. Now this state. On A it is going to itself. On B is also it is going to itself. Now Q0, Q1, Q3. On A going to Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. So Q0, Q1, Q3. On A it is going to Q0, Q1, Q2. So on A. Okay. On A it is going to Q0, Q1, Q2. On B also it is going to Q0, Q1, Q2. Take it as AB. Okay. So this is a state transition diagram for the DFA. So this is how you are going to convert. First take the NFA transition diagram. The best thing is first write the transition table for that NFA. By seeing that NFA table, you have to construct the DFA table. So by seeing DFA, you can construct the new transition diagram. So if you are confusing with this, you can just mark it as a numbers here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and wherever the numbers is there, so instead of writing all these states, you can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then it will be easy for you without confusion. I hope you understand how to convert NFA to DFA. Thank you.